Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XRP. Now my voice is still not 100%, so bear with me on today's video. We're looking at the 1 hour chart. We wicked down below 46 cents. And a lot of people are saying we're going to have that massive shakeout event still happen around XRP, where XRP dips down below 30 cents. I'm not quite so sure that's going to happen. In fact, the month of September looks very good for Ripple and XRP. We'll talk about that in today's video. But let's start with this news first. Ripple made Fortress customers hit by security incident whole as part of the acquisition. Conversations accelerated last week following the security incident via third-party analytics vendor. But this opportunity makes sense for Ripple in the long term, said a spokesperson for Ripple who clarified that the company, already a minority investor in Fortress, had discussed a potential acquisition with Fortress previously. Luckily, Ripple was in a position to act quickly to step in and make customers whole. And there have been no breaches to Fortress technology or systems. Fortress notified customers immediately of the incident when it happened. So it looks like Ripple bailed out retail investors. And one thing I want to point out is Ripple financed the acquisition with a mix of cash and equity. No valuation was disclosed. The reason I want to point that out is because of this right here. What do you think? Did Ripple sell XRP to fund the bailout, or did Ripple use their cash reserves to do it? XRP price falls below 48 cents amid speculation. Ripple sold XRP to fund Fortress buyout. Now, until Ripple gives us an actual statement, we don't know if they sold XRP to fund this buyout. But Bill Morgan says, I wouldn't want to think that Ripple sold a lot of XRP to fund this acquisition and bailing out Fortress customers, putting downward price pressure on XRP. But that couldn't be the cause of the price fall today, as the whole crypto market fell. So XRP just fell with the rest of the market. And we know that Ripple has $1 billion in the bank. So in my opinion, because they already were a minority investor in Fortress and they plan to buy Fortress out at some point in the future, Brad was probably already preparing for this and putting the cash together. But until Ripple gives us a full statement, it's just speculation for now. Can JPMorgan's new token compete with XRP? Now, you're going to probably see a lot of videos where people call this the XRP killer. It happens every single time. So the new token would allow for faster cross-border payments and settlements. In fact, JPMorgan has reportedly built the infrastructure needed to handle transactions for the token, per Bloomberg. Now, this is what I'm going to tell you. First off, Ripple has a decade on JPMorgan. They have partnerships with banks all around the world. They have partnerships with countries building out CBDCs at the same time. Plus, JPMorgan is a bank. No other bank is going to want to use a competitor's token. They would sooner use Ripple and XRP. I don't even see this as any type of competition to XRP, let alone the XRP killer. But you're going to hear narratives around this, I'm sure, in the coming days. But like I said, there's no alternative to XRP. So CBDC conference, Ripple is a gold partner, R3 is a silver partner. But what I want to point out is MTech. MTech is building CBDCs with Hedera. And I keep seeing coincidences where Ripple and Hedera are mentioned in the same places all around the crypto space. And it would make sense for Ripple and Hedera to become partners at some point. In fact, I do a lot of HBAR videos and I do a lot of XRP videos. You know why? Because Hedera has daily growth the same way that Ripple has daily growth. And they're growing at an alarming rate at the same time. And if you're holding XRP and you want to diversify, I definitely will tell you to look into HBAR. But again, I don't see this as coincidence anymore. It's happening too often, in my opinion. So the spotlight has shifted from London to Japan as the anticipated launchpad for XRP's exciting new phase. Japan gears up for the launch scheduled for September 2023. Like I said, September looks very good for XRP. The cryptocurrency realm is known for its unpredictability, and this recent development is no exception. Many had their eyes set on London as the stage for XRP's resurgence. However, Japan's decisive move to host the launch has altered the course, not only for XRP, but also for the broader cryptocurrency market in the region. The question that naturally arises is, what prompted this unexpected shift? While the full story behind Japan's decision remains to be unveiled, several factors may have influenced this change. Japan has long been a pioneer in embracing cryptocurrencies, creating a favorable regulatory environment. Its robust infrastructure and widespread acceptance of digital currencies make it an attractive choice for XRP's new beginnings. Now, this is very big, and this is going to go live this month. One thing I want to point out is right here. Another compelling reason behind Japan's selection as XRP's launchpad is the widespread acceptance of digital currencies among its populace. Cryptocurrencies have become increasingly integrated into everyday life in Japan, with a growing number of businesses and individuals adopting them for various purposes. Retailers, restaurants, and even local convenience stores in Japan have started accepting cryptocurrencies as a means of payment. This high level of adoption fosters a cryptocurrency-friendly ecosystem that is conducive to the success of XRP's upcoming phase. And as other countries notice this happening in Japan, they're going to push in the same direction. But I think this is going to lead to price movement on XRP in the short term. But again, very big news. Then there's this. XRP, Ledger Labs, and GateHub join forces, adding on-off ramps. So GateHub and XRP Ledger Labs, the makers of Zoom, two of the most active companies on the XRP ledger, have teamed up to bring more assets to the XRP ledger, enabling seamless value transfer between the XRP ledger and other supported networks such as SEPA, Swift, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. In a significant step forward for the XRP ledger ecosystem, the partnership brings new capabilities and convenience to users worldwide and eases the retail adoption of cryptocurrency payments. On-off ramps are also very important. It's all about leveling the playing field. We see it happen with XLM. I look at them as rails that in the future XRP will travel back and forth over. And again, part of the new financial system is leveling the playing field. And these are the 14 added assets. And you know, this is something that will gain value over time as well, year over year. We will certainly enter other vertical markets, and we don't want to just be cross-border payment solution. We want to help customers grow and scale their business. On-demand liquidity does that. Line of credit does that. We will certainly look at verticals, and maybe it's insurance, maybe it's trade finance. Today, the world sends $155 trillion across borders. If we solve this payment opportunity, we enable this Internet of Value and should have lots of other opportunities beyond that. This is Brad Garlinghouse. When Amazon started, it just focused on books. They chose a vertical, got really good at it, and expanded to other verticals. We see lots of other compelling verticals to go after in the blockchain space. That about sums up exactly what I've been saying for quite a while. Brad is going after all the money. You see Ripple getting involved around carbon credits. There's a lot of money there. Ripple getting involved around tokenization. That's going to be massive in the future. I think Brad is looking at new verticals all the time. And as XRP holders, we should be very happy about that, because that means XRP is going to be tied into those same verticals, adding value over time. Everybody's so concerned about the price of XRP today. I'm more concerned about where we're going to be 2 years from now. Honestly, I think XRP is going to surpass $100 faster than people think. I think we're going to break $1,000 sometime between now and 2025. And you could see it coming. So fun fact, less than 5% of the global population is invested in crypto. I honestly thought it was 10%. But here's the way I look at that. You know, we're early to crypto. We beat the other 95% here. Eventually, every person in the world is going to be using crypto. And most of them are never even going to know it's happening. And we're early to crypto. We beat enterprise here. We beat everybody else to this space. And you know what's going to happen? We're investing at such cheap prices. We're going to get the most out of our investment as long as we continue holding it long enough. I want to see XRP's full potential. That's why I don't plan on selling my XRP for a long period of time. Because I think as things continue to get built out and new verticals like Brad talked about are opened up, more value is going to continue flowing in from all directions. And before you know it, me and you get generational wealth. Until then, we need to stay patient and stay positive. Let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.